As you know, G, C and D major are the most commonly used majors in the Chinese orchestra. In today's video, I'm going to combine all the three exercises into one. Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Patrick and welcome to my video channel. I'm a Yangqin instrumentalist in Singapore, graduated from Central Conservatory of Music. If this is your first time coming to this video, remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be sharing everything you need to know regarding Yangqin performing arts as well as music tips and live lessons that will definitely benefit you in your music journey. So see you around! Before we proceed with this lesson, please make sure you have already watched the G major exercise video as well as C and D exercise video. If you have not watched them, I have shared the link below in the description box. Please go and take a look, practice them individually before attempting this exercise. I will be starting from G major followed by C major then D major. There will be no intervals between the majors. Let me set the speed to 160. 1, 2, 3, go. I hope you have enjoyed the video today. If you like what you watched, remember to hit the like button and share with your friends. Do not worry about the speed. Like I said before, always start from a speed that you are comfortable with. Let me know in the comment below what is the speed that you are currently practicing with, and let me know if you have any question regarding this video and I'll do my best to reply you. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.